When I think about additive manufacturing, it's really just the next phase for ATI in terms of what we're really good at. What are we the best in the world at? It's process technology and it's material science. And really, to be the best at additive manufacturing, you have to know both of those pieces. So here in Margate, at this greenfield facility, we've built the capabilities to deliver both to our customers.
Within ATI Additive Products, we have a fully vertically integrated facility here. Additive manufacturing using laser powder bed fusion is our core process, but we'll also be doing heat treating, non-destructive testing, machining, grinding, inspection, and radiography, all within one footprint at a very large secured facility.
So additive manufacturing products for ATI is really the ability to take our additive powders that we make for aerospace and defense customers and transform those additive powders into finished parts, giving our customer a one-stop shop for a powder to finished part solution for their aerospace and defense needs.
We are amongst the first companies to have one of these. It is the largest laser powder bed fusion machine in the world. So it's a 600 millimeter square, but a 1500 millimeter build height. That provides us a huge advantage in being able to build parts that other companies physically cannot. The size, it's monstrous. I think it's classified as a 2-story building. There's 12 different lasers in the machine working in harmony to build one part. It's faster, it's bigger, it's more capable in pretty much every way.
The machines have an advantage within turbo machinery hardware. These machines operate with 8 lasers. So again, you're getting quite a bit of speed, but you're doing overhangs and geometries and surface finishes that are superior to other machines. We also have smaller machines. We have M404, which is a 4-laser machine, so it builds relatively fast. It's the industry workhorse.
Additive manufacturing is the next generation of parts manufacturing. We've said for a long time at ATI, we want to get closer to the customer. One of the ways that we do that is we get closer to parts. We've made parts for a long time at Forged Products, but additive really is the next generation. This is going to help us get there. Our customers are asking for it. They want these kind of parts, especially in defense and space. This is the cornerstone of additive manufacturing.
One of the things that's really important to customers is that you can bring them a total solution. And when you think about what ATI is, we have the PhDs that can figure out metallurgy. Now we have the 3D printed additive engineers that can figure out how to take that metallurgy and these wonderful alloys that they've created to solve customer problems. We're able to create solutions for customers that traditional manufacturing like forging and machining couldn't do.
ATI Additive Products is based around quality control and safety. Our customers demand high quality parts. It's paramount that we deliver that to the customers. By enabling our quality department to inspect parts to the full conformity process of our customers ensures that the parts that we make and release into the industry are very safe and high performing to the expectations of our customers. ATI Additive Products prints the best parts in the world.
Quality obviously starts at the very beginning. Quality starts with the customer discussions and the customer's products. So we have to build that in from the ground up here, from the team, from the equipment, and what we're trying to produce to meet new requirements that haven't been met before for the space, for the undersea, for military, for defense.
We have that background. We know the material science. We know what elements to alloy together to get the titanium to be a little bit stronger or a little bit more malleable, or that nickel to work in this high heat situation. Unlike other competitors, because we have that background in powder creation, we can create unique materials or alloys that others can't create, and we can make them more suitable to the additive process.
One of the most challenging things in additive is getting the build design concept down as customers want it, within the spec, within reason, within time. To be able to meet those deadline specifications, to be able to brainstorm and create these concepts, what metals that we need, that's very, very exciting.
If you look within a commercial aero engine, there's hundreds of materials that make up a commercial aero engine. So ATI's metallurgy material science background will enable the next phase of growth within additive manufacturing, making products powder for additive processes that don't exist today to increase the performance of commercial aero engines and aerospace structures.
All these parts are highly engineered. It's a new technology, and customers need a lot of engineering support. There's not a lot of engineers out there that know how to do this. ATI has that engineering prowess. I can call a PhD up at SM and they can explain metallurgy to my customer on the phone, and I can take that powdered metallurgy and I can transform it into a part that my engineers can explain to those customers. Not very many 3D printing companies out there have the ability to do that. And if you talk to many of our customers, that's the #1 reason they love ATI.